Apurva, who's been very closely tracking the story for us. Apurva, please give us more details on the kind of charges that have been leveled against Allu Arjun. Where is he now?
Well, Nabila, what we do know is that Allu Arjun has been picked up by the task force police, and he's also, he is going to be taken to the Chikkarpalli police station here in Hyderabad. What we are getting to know is that the charge sheet that has been registered ensures that it names not only Allu Arjun but also his security team as well, and it states that they had failed to give proper notices before they had arrived at the Sandhya Theatres there just last week when Pushpa 2 pre-release show had taken place, and in that stampede kind of situation that had been caused after Allu Arjun and his family and members had arrived there at Sandhya Theatre, a 30-year-old woman, Revati, had lost her life. This apart from her 8-year-old son, who had been grievously injured. He had sustained serious injuries, and he had been admitted at the hospital there as well. We also saw a video that had been posted out from Allu Arjun's personal handle there on Twitter, where he had given a statement saying that he is going to go ahead and meet with the family, be there for them at this difficult time that they are going through. But what we really saw is that he had, in that said video, he had promised, some kind of, 25 lakhs for the family, and also said that they will be there. But what real question that stands out here is that what had happened during that day, why the police and the team that had been there, the security team that had been placed at Sandhya, why weren't they informed? That is what the police here in the investigation has noted. Not only Allu Arjun but also his security team has also been charged under various sections of BNS there, which has cost the life of, one person, one woman there, apart from her son who had been grievously injured. In the stampede-like situation that had been caused last week. We're also getting to know that authorities have charged Allu Arjun and his security personnel and theatre management as well under various sections of BNS Act for negligence and failure to ensure public safety. One of the main reasons why Allu Arjun's name and his security team have also been noted in this charge sheet also includes the fact that the time that there had been poor management of the crowds, poor management and no prior notices that had been issued, when the Sandhya Theatre stampede-like situation had taken place. We'd seen how crowds and crowds of people had come out for catching the pre-release film of Pushpa 2 there, not only in Telangana but Andhra Pradesh and various other, states as well and across countries. But this kind of mismanagement that had taken place by the Sandhya Theatre owners, the management there, and the kind of lapses that his security team had failed in informing the theatre management there earlier, that is also something that the investigation team is taking into. Allu Arjun is in the video that we can see, he is in conversation with his wife and his team as well. He will be taken to the Chikkarpalli police station, following which most likely he will also, sources say that there will be further action that will be taken. But
so what we know here is that Allu Arjun has also reached out to the Telangana High Court. He's appealed to the High Court to quash the FIR. The court is yet to take up the matter and maybe order what the court's order would really say will matter in this case. But after the stampede, I've just got a sound bite of Allu Arjun right after the stampede, where he had recorded a video in regret of what had happened. We're going to play that out for you. Let's listen in.
Firstly, I would like to say condolences to the entire family. This loss can never be, covered. We'd like to tell you that we'd like to be there for you. And మా తరపు నుంచి I'd like to donate an amount of rupees 25 lakhs. This is just as a goodwill gesture. అంటే నేను మీ వైపు I'm there for you. నా యాక్షన్స్లో చూడండి, నన్ను నమ్మండి, నేను మీకోసం ఉన్నాను అని ఒక జెస్చర్గా I'd like to give them 25 lakhs rupees for their future, to secure their future, and especially పిల్లలు ఉన్నారంట. So to tell them that I'll be there for them.
All right. Of course, Allu Arjun there expressing regret of a 35-year-old woman who died in a stampede at Sandhya Theatre. In fact, it was a moment where people there tried to catch a glimpse of Allu Arjun, rush towards his vehicle. He landed up there, we hear, unannounced. There was no intimation given to the police itself for any kind of additional security, and that eventually ended up in absolute chaos.